Good day. This continuation of logarithm without the use of tables. We have been able to give you rules, laws that involve in solving questions like this. Simplify each of the following. Log 27 base 3 plus 2 log 9 base 3 minus log 54 base 3. B. Log 12.5 base 5 plus log 2 base 5. C. Log root 125 base 5. D. Log root 8 base 2 plus log root 3 base 3. Another question given that log 2 base 10 is equal to 0.3010. Log 3 base 10 is equal to 0.4771. And log 5 base 10 is equal to 0.6990. Find A. Log 6 base 10. B. Log 72 base 10. C. Log 35 base 10. And log 17 base 5. Log 17.5 base 10. Then D. Log half base 10. 3. If log 2x plus 1 base 10 minus log 3x minus 2 base 10 equal to 1, find x. And this one also. Now, questions. To solve questions on this, you need to have the rules in your brain. Let's start it one after the other. I believe that you have copied down because we are starting from the simple questions. Later we enter the difficult one. But for WAEC students, so all this thing is always WAEC questions. Questions. You can see questions. So now let's start with number A. Let's start with number A. Let's start with number A. Okay, number A, you can see that we have a rule like this. Log m base A plus log n base A. Now when we have this, that will be log m multiplied by n base A. But you cannot just multiply this and 27 and 9 because the 2 in front of it is an obstacle that we have to remove. And there's still another rule that governs it. That if you have log m raised power n base A, it's the same as n log m base A. In mathematics, you can go forward or you reverse back. Depending on the question you want to solve. You know, this is like this. 2 is n here, you can see now. But we want to transform it to this. So to transform this one to this now, we have, 2 now. So you can see now. So you have log 9 raised power 2 here base 3, which is equal as 2 log 9 base 3. You can see now. Which means, but this one will fit the question we are trying to solve. This one will fit the question we are trying to solve. Then we square it, then we multiply, we use this one. Now let me continue. Second step, log 27 base 3 plus log 9 raised power 2 base 3 minus log 54 base 3. That's log 27 base 3 plus log 9 times 9. This one is not 9 times 2. 9 raised power 2 means 9 times 10. That is 81 base 3 minus log 54 base 3. Let's calm this one. Let's calm this. This one is plus and they have the same base. Your problem is solved. Just log 27 times 81 base 3 minus log 54 base 3. Can see this one is negative. When you have negative, you have something like this. Log n over n base a is same as log m base a minus log n base a. What means that whenever we have minus, we divide. And when we have plus, we multiply. So which means this one 27 times 81 over 54 base 3 equal to what? So that's it. Now, you are permitted to use calculator. If you have not been using it, it's very important because you want to write your WAEC or NECO. So you can see now that what goes 3 goes here is 18 because 3 in 5 1 in 24 8, that's 18. 3 here is 18, 3 here 9, 9 here 1, and 9 here 2, which is given as log 81 over 2 base 3. Though 81 is a family of 3, but 2 is not family of 3, which means we are going to separate it. So because we have division here, just like this, we transform it to this. That will now be log 81 base 3 minus log 2 base 3. Log 81 base 3 minus log 2 base 3. You know, 81 is family of 3, which is log 3 raised to power 4 base 3 minus log 2 base 3. Using rules again, this one will come in front. 4 log 3 base 3 minus log 2 base 3. And don't forget that we have rule that say log a base a is equal to 1, which means log 10 base 10 is 1, log 2 base 2 is 1, log 3 base 3 is 1, which means whenever the base and the log are the same, the answer will be what? 1, which means this one will be 4 times 1 minus log 2 base 3. 4 times 1, that's 4. 4 minus log 2 base 3. That is how far we can go. Yeah, how far we can go. Then let's solve the second one. Let's solve the second one. We have log 12.5 base 5 minus log 2 base 5. This is not number B. Well, we have minus, but okay, plus. Sorry, this place is cross. This place is plus. So, but we cannot multiply this by this straight because we have decimal point there. It is advisable that when you see a question that has to do with decimal point, change it to fraction. Change the decimal point to fraction. And how we change the fraction? You know, when you have 0.125, 1.25, uh, 12.5. Let's say we have that. You know this one now. You want everything here. You want the whole number. You don't want decimal. So you now count now. 1, 2, 3. Which means you write 125. You write 1. You now write 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Consider when you divide this one by this, you get 0.125. This one now to fraction. Forget about this. Start with this. You want to bring the point here. That's 1, 2. That'll be 1, 2, 5 divided by right 1 is 0. This one, just 1. That's 12, 125 divided by 10. I think you understand the way that is done. You can see that the one we are looking for is 12.5, which is 125 over 10. If we use your calculator, you still get 12.5. Now, which means log 125 over 10 base 5 plus log 2 base 5. Something still go. 5 here, 2. 5 here, 2, 5. We have log 25 over 2 base 5 plus log 2 base 5. But 2 is nothing you can do with 2. We use negative place, during division. Just that will be log 25 base 5 minus log 2 base 2, base 5 rather, plus log 2 base 5. You can see that this one counts this, and this one will be log 5 raised by 2 base 5. Don't forget the rule. This will be 2 log 5 base 5. Log 5 base 5 is also what? 1, which means our final answer will be what? 2. 2. Our final answer will be 2. Then we have another one that is very interesting. So log root 125, log square root of 125 base 5. Base 5. To do this, you have to remove this sign, this square root sign. And what you can do, just write like this, write 125 raised to power 1 over 2 base 5. If you remember the law of indices very well, this what we have here is 2. And they don't usually write the 2 inside it. Then next line, 125 means 5 raised to power 3, because 5 times 5, 25. 12 times 5, 125. Then rule of indices again, you want to remove this 3. You have log 5, 3 times 1, that would be 3 over 2 base 5. This is power. That's the 3 over 2 log 5 base 5. And log 5 base 5 is what? 1. That 3 over 2. That's our final answer. That's our final answer. That was an answer there. Then let me try that one more. D. D. We have log log root 8 base 2 plus plus log log root 3 base 3. You can see that they don't have the same base, cannot multiply. And it's obvious that 8 is family of 2 and 3 is family of 2, but you can do something first. This log, just like what we did there, we have 8 raised by 1 over 2 base 2 plus log 3 raised by 1 over 2 base 3. Then log this one is 2 raised by 3 base 1 over 2 base 2 plus log 3 raised by 1 over 2 base 3. That's log 3. We multiply this, that's 2 raised by 3 over 2 base 2 plus log, this one can come, okay, plus log 3 1 over 2 base 3. This one is power. Is power. It become a 3 over 2 log 2 base 2 plus 1 over 2 log 3 base 3. Log 2 base 2 is 1. Times 3, that's be 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2. You find anything, that's 2. That's 3 plus 1. That's 4 over 2. That is the 2. So I will not be able to solve the question, but next class I'll solve more questions on this. Thanks for watching me. Like me and share me and comment.